what's the healthiest alcoholic drink? So, true health aside, or health only, I would say that a good, high quality vodka that's made like distilled, whatever they call it, like triple distilled or some extra distilled, I don't know what they call it, but a very high quality vodka on the rocks would be the healthiest alcoholic drink. Now, I don't like that. I do like vodka soda, right? So we're back to sparkling water. Vodka soda is a very healthy, low calorie, low sugar drink, even if you're going to squeeze some lime or lemon juice in there. I prefer lemon, or have a little bit of a splash of cranberry juice or something like that. That would be a good option. Um, I forget what I was going to say. Something about vodka soda. I don't know. But maybe I've been drinking. No, just kidding, guys. I haven't been drinking, I promise. But vodka soda would be a good option. Now, wine is also good, has good health benefits. We hear a lot about the resveratrol in red wine, the antioxidants. That's true as well. Truth be told, anything that's low in sugar is a good option. So, any kind of hard liquor, as long as you're mixing it with a low sugar mixer, is a good option. That's what I was going to say. So, soda and tonic are two very different things. Soda has very low or no sugar, it's just carbonated water. Tonic water, on the other hand, has the same or more sugar than a soda, right? Crazy. So, if you think you're healthy getting a vodka tonic and you taste wise can switch to vodka soda, 100 times better. Big thumbs up for you. Um, okay, so low sugar mixer. We want water, we want soda, we want things like this. The truth is, though, what I think I was going to say is whatever you like, that's the best alcoholic drink. Alcohol isn't a problem for most people in moderation. It's only a problem when you start drinking, way too much for your body, that it can cause weight gain or obvious other problems with alcohol, even chronic conditions, stomach problems, things like that. So if you can stick to 1 or 2 drinks or however many is healthy for your body, that's okay, especially if it's vodka or another liquor with lower sugar content. Last thing, for those of you who live in Dallas, if you ever ask the waiters at Mi Casina how many calories are in their frozen margaritas, they know, and they laugh, and I think that's so cruel. Not really cruel, I'm kind of making a joke here, but a frozen margarita there has about 860 calories. That's a lot of calories, and all of it's coming from sugar and alcohol. So these frozen margaritas, these fruity fancy drinks, that's something you want to stay away from.